Understanding I Am Courageous, an English language learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very important and inspiring phrase, I am courageous. Understanding this phrase is not just about the words, but the feeling and context behind them. Let's dive in. First, let's break down the word courageous. It means having courage, being brave, bold, and willing to face fears or challenges. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone and tackling obstacles head-on. When we say, I am courageous, we are declaring that we possess these brave qualities. Now, how is I am courageous used in everyday conversation? It's a statement of self-affirmation, often used to boost confidence. For example, before a job interview, someone might say, I am courageous, to remind themselves that they can handle the challenge. It's also used to show determination in difficult situations. Understanding this phrase also involves cultural context. In some cultures, being courageous is highly valued and respected. The phrase, I am courageous, can be seen as a powerful statement of one's character and determination. Let's see some examples. 1. Even though I'm scared of heights, I am courageous and will try rock climbing. 2. In facing this illness, I remind myself that I am courageous. Practice saying, I am courageous, in different situations. How does it make you feel? To expand your understanding, let's look at synonyms of courageous like brave, valiant, bold, and fearless. Try creating sentences with these words to deepen your vocabulary. Great job today! Remember, saying, I am courageous, is not just about the words, but about believing in yourself and your abilities. Keep practicing, and you'll see how empowering this phrase can be. See you in the next video, where we continue to explore the beauty of the English language.